This is a Quantum 6-edge power chair with a rehab seating. This chair was used for about 3 to 4 months. Again, as you can see, we didn't do anything to this chair, in new condition. It does have the 6-inch seat lift and the electric tilt. So the two function, seat lift of 6 inches, electric tilt. You would work all the functions through the joystick. So if you would go on the joystick and hit this blue button here until you see a picture of the chair on your screen, just like this. And now if I hit it, if I move the joystick sideways, I'm going to have just the seat that's black. And now I can make the seat go up by moving the joystick backward. The nice thing about this chair, the legs go up with your feet. So your foot plate and everything goes up together. There's your 6-inch seat lift. Usually these seats will start at 22 inches when they're down. 6 inches, they'll be at 28 inches when they're up. You can still drive this chair when the seat is elevated, as you can see, at a lower speed, of course. This is a lower speed. So this is your seat elevated. While we have the seat elevated, let's talk about the seat lift. You can see that's a 2x2x2 seat post. It's a large seat post. It's a heavy-duty seat post. We've got anchor points here and here. You got 2 for each side of the chair if you need to tie your chair to your lift or to your van right here. You got 14-inch non-skid wheels. As you can see, the tread is all there on the wheel, so this chair might have been used a month or two, maybe not. Aluminum rims, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got a motor for each wheel. If you want to put this chair in neutral, because you want to roll it, of course it's in gear now, always turn the power off because you'll have some resistance if you don't. Push the lever down on both motors on both sides and you're in neutral. Put the lever back up, you're back in gear. If you look at the suspension in the back, this is a very nice suspension for the back fork, and it's adjustable. You can turn this ring right here and adjust the tension on the suspension on the back. And you've got the same suspension in the front. I'm going to turn the power back on. In the front suspension, you can see the same suspension here in the front on both sides in front. Okay? You've got foot plates that are manual, meaning they do not move up, they do not move, they stay stationary. But we can adjust the height depending how tall you are right here. I'm going to bring the seat back down, and we're going to do the tilt. So now the seat coming back down. Now this is a swing away joystick, so what that means, you can swing the joystick away from the front. This can be put on the left, so if you're left-handed, we can switch everything to the left with no problem. The arms do go up, so if you need to transfer, both sides will go up like this. Now the next thing we're going to cover is the electric tilt. This would be your electric tilt right here going back. Very quiet. Well, the chair is practically new, so it should be quiet. So this is normal noise. This is your electric tilt going back. So this is going to be considered a full electric tilt because it's almost back flat. So this is a full electric tilt on this chair. I'll bring the tilt back down. And we're going to talk about the seating system on this chair. This chair has a real nice rehab seat with a safety belt. As I mentioned, the arms do go up for easy exit, easy entrance if you transfer from the side, depending how you, or if you're coming from the front, raise your foot plates up, and then you can just get in. And when you raise those foot plates up, when you come in from the front, there's almost nothing in your way. When you get out, it's pretty much flush, which is nice. So I've got that. I'm going to put it back in drive. We're going to put it on drive 2, and we're going to face it forward. The seat on this chair is 16 by 18. So it's 16 wide by 18 deep. 16 wide by 18 deep. On this chair, I cannot adjust the seating. So if you want this chair, you have to take it the way it is. I mean, we can put a 17-inch cushion because there is 17-inch between the two arms. So if you needed, if you thought 16 was not enough, there is a gap here and here, so we can put easily a 17 by 19 deep, 18 deep. So we can make it, we can put a bigger cushion in between because you do have 17 inches between the arms. You have a nice contour back. You can put your own cushion on here, so you can take this cushion off This is a gel cushion, by the way. That's why it's so heavy. It's partial gel. The back of the chair, you've got your headrest, which is all adjustable here. You can also remove it if you don't need it. You've got push bars back here, which is nice. If you needed to push this chair, you won't be pushing against the seat. You actually have push bars back here if you needed to move the chair around in neutral. So when you charge this chair, take your quantum charger, plug it right in the bottom of your joystick. As soon as the light turns green on the charger, you're fully charged. The charger will know when to stop. It'll stop charging when it feels the batteries are full. So if you're looking for a nice chair, practically new, used maybe a couple months, with a 17 by 18, 19 deep seat, contoured back, swing away joystick. It has the 6-inch seat lift on this chair. Great suspension. The Quantums have some of the best suspensions out there. 6 miles an hour power chair. Watch the video when I'm outside, I think you'll be impressed. This chair is another beauty and it's ready to go. And the electric tilt, almost new condition, 5 miles an hour top speed outside. Great suspension, as you can see when I went through the grass, it's pretty bad stuff over there, and it's ready to go. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.